welcome back to another Eatin with Eatin. I haven't posted an Eatin with Eatin in like so long. I haven't posted one for like, I don't know. I'm finally posted one. That's nice. So today I'm gonna be making some macarons. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video.
She's small and sweet and has the deets on how to make yummy treats. She's eating with Eatin, yeah!
Okay guys, so to start off, you're gonna sift with your sifter 2 cups of powdered sugar. Just gonna sift like this. You really want to sift the macaron, sift the stuff when you're making macarons, because it makes the cookie part really like soft and stuff. And yes, I'm standing on my tippy toes. And yes, I have one braid and one not braid because it fell out. So. Okay, so after you're done sifting your powdered sugar, you're going to sift your 1 cup of flour. You're going to sift it. Same procedure, I guess. Take your spoon, dump it in. I'm on my first scoop, guys. Like, this is crazy. It's not going through. Is there a faster way to sift almond flour? Also, this is my first time making macarons, so I don't really know what I'm doing. Okay guys, so I got bored of sifting, so I got my dad to sift it for me. We're going to beat the egg whites, not egg yolks. We need egg whites, so we first need to separate them. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I'm gonna use this little tool. This tool, you put it on the side of the bowl, like this. Doesn't go very good, but then you crack the egg and the yolk stays in the middle, but then the egg whites go into the bottom. So I'm gonna use that tool. Yeah. So I forgot to mention that the eggs need to be at room temperature. Oh my god. Ooh, that was not a good crack. Yeah, this egg yolker does not work. It just got all the egg yolk over there on the table. Okay, so that wasn't the best egg yolking, separating the yolks from the egg whites. But we're gonna go back to that sifting mixture and mix it up. Okay, so now that you have all your stuff sifted and stuff, you're going to whisk it all together. You're just gonna take a whisk and you're gonna whisk it until it's thoroughly combined. Okay. You wanna make sure it's thoroughly combined. And back to your egg whites. And you're going to beat them for 8 minutes. You're also going to need your sugar, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and you're going to beat them for 4 minutes. Then you're going to add your sugar slowly, and then you're going to beat them for another 4 minutes. You're going to want to mix on medium speed. Okay, so by now you would be putting the dye in your fluffed eggs. Should look like this. You should be putting the dye in, but I can't have dye, because I'm allergic to dye. So I'm going to be grinding up some strawberries, just mashing them up, but I'm going to be using strawberries. I'm going to mix them up and then I'm going to put them there. Okay, so I got it all blended up. It's all in here. And I'm just going to add this into this. So I forgot to say this, but you need to add a pinch of salt. Once you add your dye in, you're going to use the electric mixer or the hand mixer, and you're just going to blend it in together till it makes the pinkness color or whatever color you're using. Okay guys, so this is when it gets hard. So you're going to take your sifted ingredients and you're going to take your egg yolks and you're going to take the sifted ingredients and you're going to add it in a third at a time. But these cookies are very picky, So, because you don't want to mix and you don't want to undermix. Because if you overmix, your cookies are gonna be very thin. If you and if you undermix, your cookies are gonna be very thick and they're gonna break apart. You don't want that to happen. So, I'll show you how to mix it. Okay, so as I said, this is my first time making it, so I'm not fully sure, but I'm just following a video that Rosanna did. So I'm just gonna guess it. Got my egg yolks. I'm gonna take dry ingredients, and we're just gonna put it there at a time. Okay, so you're gonna fold it. Just keep folding it. That's 3, 4, 7, 8. You're gonna do this 20 times, and then you're gonna another third and do it 20 times and another third. Okay, so now you're gonna take your piping bag, your mixture thing, and you're just gonna put it in there, and then you pipe it on a baking sheet on the table. Just like slam them down on the table, so like this, something like that. And then you're gonna let them sit for 30 minutes, and then you're gonna put them in then you're gonna preheat your oven to 300 degrees. Okay, so now you're going to add a stick of butter to make the frosting. Stick of butter, just pop it in there. So you're gonna mix your butter until it's light and fluffy. Okay, so you're gonna wanna beat your eggs for 4 minutes till it's soft, light and fluffy. After you're done beating your eggs, you're going to pour about 1/4 to 1/3 a cup of powdered sugar into your butter. Okay, so this may be a bit weird, but you're gonna have to kind of sift a cup of raspberries. The raspberries can have to be room temperature, so you're gonna kind of sift it because you want the juice of the raspberries. So I'll kind of show you how. Okay, so you're kind of just gonna take your raspberries. You're just gonna dump them like that, and you can already see all the juice coming down from it. That's what you want. All you're gonna do is you're just gonna stab at them, and then the juice will come down eventually. Okay, so this is what mine looks like. Just looks like a beautiful strawberry. Not strawberry, raspberry. Just 2. So now you're gonna take your raspberry sauce and you're gonna put it in like the butter mixture, and you're gonna beat it up until it just looks mixed together. Okay, so once everything's mixed together, you're going to take your bag, or you're going to take a piping bag, but currently my piping bag is not in the very best condition. So I'm just gonna use a plastic bag and then cut a hole in it. Okay, so now that I have this bag ready to squeeze, I'm going to get my beautiful cookies. Here, let me just show you them. Aren't they just gorgeous? Can't really see them properly, but I'll show you them afterwards. They look really bad. Anyway, I'm going to use them. I'm just going to pipe them, and then I'm going to sandwich them like this. Look at these. Look at this one. This one's just sad. Like, whatever. I'm just going to pipe them maybe a little better. I don't know. Hey guys, they're complete. Let me just show you them. Yeah, so as you can see, I didn't have enough icing to pipe a lot of it. So yeah, that's kind of how they turned out. Honestly, this is really good. The the frosting things doesn't really taste very good. I'm not really sure how it tastes altogether because I don't really want to try it yet. Also, these are supposed to be for my sister. It's her birthday tomorrow, so that's so I'm giving her these. They taste very good. The actual cookie itself tastes very good. So honestly, for my first try, I think they're pretty good. I think you just need to be a bit older because I'm only 11. So I think you need to be a bit older and a bit more mature to make this recipe because I feel like it wasn't the best. Thanks for eating with Eatin. Bye.
Eating with Eatin, yeah.